IG post ni Kim Chu sa ganap bound to Melbourne, Australia. I prepared for EM flight for Melbourne, Australia. Ayan, nilike na naman ni Paulo Avellino. Guys, hindi nyo makikita dito sa IG ni Kim yung mukha ni Pau na nilike. Pero, hindi ko lang alam kung anong apps iyon na palaging nagla-like sa reels ni Kim Chu. Ayan. You got swags and voice. You got beauty. You got the spirit above all of you, of the heart, and God will set you apart. So cute, Kimi. Nilike naman ni Carla Avellina ang post ni Kim Chu. Grabe. Hindi maubusan ng energy si Kimi, ha? But I'm so happy to finally meet today. So, ayan guys. Much prettiest without makeup, Kimi. My beautiful Kimmers, ingat kayo lahat sa biyahe. Thank you so much, Chinita Princess, for making us happy with your presence. And it's dream come true to seeing you in person. Grabe ka, sobrang gwapa mo talaga. So, ayan, from username Bash, nakita nila in personal si Kimi, kaya nagpapa-picture-picture sila. Walang ka-arty-arty, walang ka-kimi-kimi talaga, as in nakaupo pa sa sahig habang ito ay nagsasapatos, and nasa stage naman, may payakap, paaper, walang ka-arty-arty, as in. Kaya proud ako sa'yo. Wow.